The question is, following solutions were prepared by different volumes of NaOH and HCl of different concentrations, and these are the concentrations given. pH of which one of them will be equal to 1? So first of all, pH of 1, it means that the hydrogen ion concentration should be 10 raised to the power minus 1. So we will calculate now the concentration of the following. We will calculate the milli equivalence of the following concentration. So as first we will calculate the concentration of C. So in order to calculate, we will first write the quantity of the compound, which is 75, and then the volume, which is 1 upon 5, and then we will multiply with 1, which is moles. So it will come out to be 115. And similarly we will do for the NaOH, and the milli equivalence for NaOH is 25 into 1 upon 5 into 1, so it will be 5. Now we will calculate the difference between the two concentrations, which will come out to be 10. And to calculate the pH, we will divide it by 10 divided by total volume, which is 75 plus 25, 100. So the answer will be 10 to the power minus 1, which is the required pH. Similarly, we can do for the A part, B part and D part for practice, but the answer will be the option C, which is here in the question, it is 2, option